Aye, so this is the first time Bexley has ever got their hands on the SM13E, bro. Mad thing. Since people seem to be only going after the Tridents, I'm going after all the other transfers, like the WBLs, the Euro 5Es, heavily looked down upon, overlooked, you know. Yeah, they don't have kick down. So what? They still sound nice, doing every rev they do. I ain't complaining about them. And yes, the SN62 is literally like a similar batch to the SM13s, which have done Bexley fruits in the past, like the 486. Used SN62s from more than Morph. The SM13s and the SN62s are basically the same, but they stand out from all the other E's because they don't have the same engine compressor tune. They have a slightly different one if you listen closely. And I've always found that odd about them. But yeah, man, this is the first time my SM13 has done the Bexley Heath through. This one was previously at East London. Obviously, it moved in for the 269 and 99 E276. Was parked in nicely. Cheers.
To Lewisham Station. Oxley's Wood, Woodlands Farm. To Lewisham Station. Field Road. To Lewisham Station. Memorial Hospital. 89. To Lewisham Station. Red Lion Lane. Shooters Hill Road, Wellhall Road. Shooters Hill Road, Baker Road.
Hello? Tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ parí omi yẹn, ẹ̀gbọ́, mo bá yín sàn, nílẹ̀ ojú kúndò kan níbi sípẹ́sì àwọn àlejò ìṣẹ́ fún wa. Iná méjì ló tàn sílẹ̀, ìṣẹ́ fún wa. The first one yẹn ti sí ìdílé. No, I said perfect speaker. The second one, water. Water. The second one. The first one, I have where I need to give it a pack. Okay, she not making enough for look on them.
Howard Way.
Okay, where I need to.
For your safety, please cross the cycle lane with caution.
Every day, my tongue. Come here, but you go. You go to go no, but you say well. That's boy you.
Charlton Park Lane. For your safety, please cross the cycle lane with caution. '89 to Lewisham Station.